So, this YouTube clip will discuss awesome side hustle tip, earn passive income with rental property. By the way, if you have been subscribed to this channel, have you noticed that my videos are a little bit different? The video I'm about to show you was made by a service that uses a text-to-video feature to turn a script into high-quality video content. I can make videos that explain things so much more easily. This is the tool to use if you want to get the most done with the least amount of work. In many of my videos, I let the software do the hard work. If you are interested in using this text-to-video tool, then check the link in the comment section or the description under this video. I will play the video in just a moment, but first a short introduction. My name is Anders Larsson and I'm a Swedish online marketer. In 2019, I began my journey as a YouTube influencer and I inspire my viewers to start an online business. I use a powerful platform that has all necessary training to have their online business up and running. So I have been using this system since 2019 and dived into the Marketers Club training. So the Marketers Club training is a package in that system, and that's pretty much all you need to start doing things right, in my opinion. But it is also recommended to model other YouTubers. I mean, that's a no-brainer, and see how they deliver their message in their videos. The best thing is to explore yourself and see if this is something for you. If you are interested in knowing how I make money online, I will share more information at the end of the video. But without further ado, I will let Joanna take over from here.
Thank you, Anders. Renting out real estate is a good strategy to generate passive income. But more effort than individuals anticipate is frequently required. According to John H. Graves, an accredited investment fiduciary, AIF, in the Los Angeles region and author of the 7% Solution, you can afford a comfortable retirement. If you don't invest the time to understand how to make it lucrative, you risk losing your entire investment. Possibility, according to Graves, in order to get passive income from rental homes, you must decide on 3 factors. Your desired rate of return on investment, the overall costs and expenses for the property, the costs associated with owning the property. To accomplish your objective of $10,000 in annual rental cash flow, for instance, you would need to charge $3,133 in monthly rent, given that the property has a $2,000 monthly mortgage and an additional $300 in monthly taxes and other expenses. Risk. Here are some things to think about. Has your home found a market? What if you rent to someone who makes late payments or mistreats the property? What if you can't get a tenant for your property? Any one of these elements could significantly reduce your passive income. Additionally, economic turbulence can present difficulties. While you still have your own mortgage to pay, you can find yourself with tenants who are suddenly unable to make their rent payments. Alternatively, if revenues are down, you might not be able to rent the house out for as much as you once could. Additionally, rents might not be sufficient to cover your costs given that property prices have been rising swiftly, partly as a result of the historically low mortgage rates. To protect yourself, you should consider these dangers and have backup strategies in place. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Thanks for sharing this, Joanna. Alright, so what are you willing to go through so that you can come out the other side and be an inspiration to another person? Are you willing to help another person and be a guide for another? If you are, then you understand the power of value, the thing that will bring success to your business. This is the message we need to spread, and this is what we need to do. If you understand this, then you will have no problem doing what I do and recommending your solution to people. If you want to check out my solution, then I will leave a link in the description. That link will take you to my landing page. There you will see my free video training that I did a long time ago. If you want to skip that, then click the red button that will take you to one of the landing pages of the system I use. Here you can start right away and you will get both personal coaching and training to get your online business off the ground. You will also understand how this high-ticket system will transform you into becoming a 5, 6 or 7-digit earner. It is your decision if you want to invest in yourself. If you do, then connect with me if you need any help. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you learned something of value, then click the like button. This will help me get more subscribers on YouTube. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and bell to be notified when I post a new one. Stay awesome, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.